Introducing Laforge Door's revolutionary screen door for your garage. Our screen door installs right under your existing door. The innovative mechanism is light and easy to operate. The frame is constructed with high-grade aluminum, rendering it lightweight and long-lasting. All hardware components are made of heavy-duty material for durability. The screen door rail fits underneath your garage door rails. The integrated safety plate prevents the garage door from closing when the screen door is down. The entire system is easy to store after use, and your garage door can be operated normally. Our screen door fits 8 by 7 to 16 by 8 foot door sizes and uses the weather seal from your existing door. For more info or to place your order, contact us today at the number appearing on your screen or by visiting our website.